Let's hunt on one of the subdomain of Microsoft.com live. Okay, so I already told you how to find subdomain. I'll go to virustotal.com. I will search here. You can try on any website. Let's try on bing.com. The bing.com is also sub domain of Microsoft, so you can try there. So bing.com having uh, these many servers. See this? These many subdomains like api.bing.com. Let's try on this. If I click on go to, okay, you can try on this api.bing.com. Let's try on this. So let's open this. Okay, and I have to give her identifier there. So I'll give ID and F. I'll try only 2-3 domain. Okay, if not found, then not found. Okay, so likewise you have to try. Intercept is on. Just reload this. Right click, send this to intruder. I got there is a identifier. I will first clear this because I have to only select their identifier, add payloads. I will load and now start attack. What I have to look for? I have to look for 200. So 200 means the file found. Okay, that's why I have to look for. You can try on the multiple domain also at the same time. So let's go back. Let's find any other subdomain. Uh, cashback.account.bing.com. You can try on there. Okay, let's try on three domain. Okay, no, this is no. Let's try on the bing after bing.com. Okay, let's try on the after the bing.com. Let's try what happened. Yeah, we are getting any file or not. Okay, this don't have any file, no problem. Make proxy, intercept is on. I'll give a identifier there like IDNF. Okay, let's go to the drop. Okay, now I got identifier there. I will right click, send this to intruder. I'll go to intruder positions. I'll first clear this because I have to attack there. Add payloads, load start attack. See, we are getting any file or not. I will okay, now I got one file. Which file? Okay, there is a %3 and that's nothing. Okay, just 200 of it's just loading the Bing. Okay, it's not giving you anything. You can check right click show response in browser. If you're getting anything, that's great. If you're not, then there is no file. Okay, see, there's nothing. Okay, so likewise you have to try. Now let's try on some other domain. Okay, let's go back. I think you have business.bing.com. Let's try on there. Go to business.bing.com. Okay, they are removing all the services, so let's try on some other platform.bing.com. Maybe this will nothing. apex.bing.com. Nothing, man. Okay, funapi.bing.com. Maybe can find something there. Nothing. So let's pick up the any subdomain of microsoft.com. Okay, you are not getting anything, so let's try on Microsoft. So let's pick up any of the subdomain of Microsoft. Let's pick up this office store, or you can pick up reference source.microsoft.com. So you can try over there, or you can try account.microsoft.com. Any. Let's pick up anything. Okay, let's pick up this reference store.microsoft.com. I will open this there. I won't open. I'll directly give identifier there. Okay, I'll open Bob suite. See, have you got any file? Oh, you got account slash. Okay, you haven't got any file account slash. So there may be login page. You won't get anything there. So likewise, you have to try. Okay, so I'll just make interest. Okay, let's have we got anything? No, we haven't got anything. No problem. Let it be running. Okay, I'll make proxy. Intercept is on. I'll just reload this. I got some. Right click, send this to intruder positions. I'll first clear this. Let's select this, add payloads, load. Now start attack. See, I'm getting anything or not. Let's try. So you're getting G404. So let's sort. Yes. So I have to wait. If I'll get any 200, so then I can report there. Okay. If not, then no problem. Okay. So it's into attack 6, into attack 4. So this way you can check, okay, on the live websites. At the same time, let's try on some other websites like this website, the dfg.nl. So I'll go to dfg. I will first browse dfg.nl, dfg.nl. Let's proxy, intercept is on. Let's just reload this. Okay, right click, send this to intruder. Now see, I don't have to attack on there, the up. Okay, I have to attack on after the slash only, so I'll select this only. Okay, now add payloads, load, start attack, and just wait. You will get some files. Okay, no problem. You have to wait. Now let's try on third websites, mahara.org. So I'll open mahara.org. Okay, proxy, intercept is on. Just reload this, right click, send this to intruder. So I have to attack after the slash, so I'll first clear this. I'll select this. Now I will click on add, and one more time add, because we need double dollar. Okay, that's why. Payloads, load. Now start attack. So now we are running. Now is there any other website? Yes, there is a datalab.knmi.nl. You can also try there, datalab.knmi.nl. Let's try this website. Then we'll see the response one. Okay, once on all. Okay. So this is a website. This is a live NCSC website. Okay. I have to try there. So slash. I'll give identifier there. And I'll make proxy intercept is on. I'll just reload this. Right click, send this to intruder. Intruder positions. I'll first clear this. Let's idnf, add payloads, load, start attack. See, now I got some files. Oh yes, I got there the git ignore. I'll check response there. Oh my god, you are getting the actual. Okay, there's the app backup and every details. The configurations even. It's a completely git directory, man. So this should be secure. This is your critical file for vulnerability. Okay, so I will report this after this video shoot. Let's try another attack 8. Okay, I haven't got any. Let's close this. Okay, otherwise you can wait. Okay, you have to wait. I'll close this. Let's 7. Okay, man, there is again no. So I'll close this also. You can try. Okay, no problem. Let's try on 6 number. 6 numbers. Did I got any file? No, so I will close this also. No problem. Okay, let's try 4th. Okay, I got a file, client access policy.xml on bing.com. Oh my god. See, let's see in response what's there. Oh man, there's a client access policy and they're having a Bing. Okay, they don't have any star or something, so no one other website will access this. Only this website will access this. Or did I got any other file? Double click on this. No, I got only 200. That is this. So you can wait for this. Okay, no. See, I got this. Let's report this right now. So how to report this? Very simple. Right click. I'll copy URL. I'll open a notepad. I'll make vulnerability. Okay, vulnerability name access. Sorry, no, I forgot the git repository file font containing critical information. Sorry, critical information. Now descriptions, I won't give descriptions. I will directly give vulnerable URL. vulnerable, uh, how to reproduce this issue. I'll say visit this URL. Which URL this? If anyone will visit this URL, let's see what will happen. So let's say I'm visiting this. I'm getting the details. I will shift control R. Let's take a screenshot of this. Okay, it will give you the git file. Now what's the POC? POC is a screenshot enclosed in attachment. That's it. Let's copy this. Okay, let's create a mail live. Okay, so I'm doing everything live. I hope it will help you in understanding. Let's search at the rate NCSC the vulnerability report, and I'm reporting how many times? Okay, the 136 times. So I'll give hashtag 136. Let's copy this. Desktop. Yes. Let's send this. So likewise, you have to report. Now I'm going to report this also, this as well as this billing cell, as well as these websites. I'm going to report everything. Okay, after this video shoot. I hope it won't bother you. So this is all about the critical file fund.